Okay, this is not really performing the experiment yet. I'm just going to show you the setup for doing the air column resonance experiment. We don't have an air column like they have in the book, so I've had to improvise. I've got a little PVC pipe here. It's like 32 centimeters long. This is going to be our resonance tube. I don't have tuning forks. What I do have is a little tone generator that I have on my iPad. If I play it, the sound comes out on the earphones. I'm going to use the earphones because it'll work better. I'll put the earphones right over the tube, and then to record or to measure, I've got a little oscilloscope. I can put it in oscilloscope mode, and you can see the waveform as I speak, or I can put it in spectrum mode, and that's where I'm going to keep it for this experiment. Right now I've got 800 hertz, and if I put the speaker right by the microphone of the phone, you can see the 800 hertz. Once I shut up, you'll see the 800, and that's how we're going to perform this experiment. So right now I'm just showing you the setup of how we're gonna see this. You may not see it, but I will see this 800 hertz tone. That one right there, I'll see it grow bigger when we hit resonance, and I'll just read off the measurements to you. I'll also show you the data. Anyway, that's how we're going to perform this experiment. So this is kind of the introduction to the technique that we're going to use.